What is that new toy you got there?
It's a Servo X.
Alright, show me what you got.
On the way to do this, is to do this, and pick up the feet down, and then the car park, and do it, hit, and go back and get a stick.
What are you going to do with all those sticks after you're done chopping them?
Go put them in a fire.
Oh yeah, we're going to have a fire? Alright.
And then we will have a good day. So this is something. This fire is gonna be huge with all these wood sticks. And then when I want something, go over here and double and get this and come back over here and